Hi guys, welcome back to Tech with TJ. Today what I got for you is my 2026 desk setup. Hopefully you guys kind of like this angle. I bought this tripod and kind of wanted to test it out, so this is the angle you're getting, I guess. Anyways, here's my desk setup. As you can see, if you've watched my last desk setup video, it's changed just a little bit, not too much. But anyways, let's get into it. Alright guys, so to start off, I'm going to go this way, start at this pegboard here that is new. As you can see, I 3D printed some storage containers for it. Kind of looks nice here on the wall. I use the screwdriver. I use all this stuff a lot, to be honest with you, so kind of wanted it easy access. Then down below here, we got my desk with right now just an iPad, laptop, and the PD200W receiver. But yeah, this is just kind of like my unboxing desk, kind of where I work. Let me move this real quick out of the way so we can see my new Tech with TJ mouse pad there. But yeah, then as we kind of back up here, that's where my headset is, of course. Just same headset, nothing's changed. I'll even back further up, show you guys the chair. Same chair as last time. I really like it. I like that mesh kind of because it doesn't heat up at all. And then it's got a cool leg rest. If you guys watch that other one, you'll see. Now getting kind of into the desk here, you can see the my Dr. Pepper holder. Got to make sure that gets in view. We got the Logitech I think like the 560 gaming speakers. And then I guess now we can go over here. This is my monitors. Oh, this one isn't even on. Well, there we go. All right, so now it looks cool. But yeah, this is what we got. This is my setup pretty much. Right now I am using the PD200W. I change the mic out pretty frequently, to be honest with you. But and yeah, we got the Link 2, Vocaster 1, that's new. If you watched the last setup, so I like that. I like it a lot, to be honest with you. It's really cool. I did a video about it, so check that out. Right here is my keyboard. This is the Wilmir SK75, I believe. You can also see a video about that. This is a cable from That Glorious. I found it on sale at Best Buy and I liked it. We got Stream Deck. We got this is the D6, the Fifine D6. This is the Stream Deck. This is a cool watch from my grandpa. This is the mouse that I use a lot. But yeah, pretty much no major changes. So here's that mic again, the Milano PD200W. We got my lighting, so if you guys ever wonder how I set up my lighting for videos, it's just by that light right there and my lights that are on my fan. Going here, this is my MacBook. It's connected down below here. As you guys can see from last time, kind of cable managed. It's in the corner there. Don't look too hard, I guess. You know, I think it's a waste of time. Anyways, here's the computer. So this is my gaming PC. As you can see, I'm a big fan of Star Wars, so of course I got the Darth Vader on there. It's got a 4070. Nothing's changed. Same specs from last time. So 4070, 64 gigs of DDR4, a Ryzen, what is it, like the 5900X AMD Ryzen 9. And yeah, B50 or B550 motherboard. I forgot. I'll look it up though. This right here is the H19. You can check these out. This is another new addition. This is my gaming headset. I don't have it plugged in right now, but just wanted to show off my PC because I did clean it. So of course I want to show it off. Disregard the cables though. But yeah, anyways. This is just an updated tour, nothing crazy because honestly not much has changed, just the layout. I did the vertical stacked monitor, which I really like, to be honest with you. It saved a lot of room. My desk is not too big. I believe it's like a 55-inch desk, so it helped a lot. And then, like I said, this desk right here, I cleared off completely so that way I can do unboxings and whatever I'm working on, building a PC, whatever I'm doing, I actually have room to do it. The mouse pad right there, that's actually really good quality. I got it for like $13 on Amazon. So if you guys have like a, you know, something that you want to put, just have a picture on or something, I highly recommend it. I'll leave links for things in the description down below on stuff that I have. This monitor mount right here, I really like it. It's from like Huano, or however you say it. Anyways, it was kind of expensive, but it's really good. As you can see, it's holding up this is the G, it's by Samsung. I'll probably put it in the video, but it's a 4K monitor, 28 inches, like 144 hertz. This one right here is another Samsung monitor, but it's 1080 at 240. I'm thinking maybe this one will be upgraded to a 4K because I like 4K quality and I don't need fast refresh rate. I don't, you know, do like competitive gaming. But anyways, yeah, I just wanted to show this off because this is my setup going into the new year, I guess, or already in the new year. But yeah, this is what I use. All right, thank you guys for watching this video. It's kind of short because honestly, not much has changed other than like the mic, headset, just a little stuff like that, but nothing too crazy. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys like this video. If you did, you know, comment down below, subscribe, do all the YouTube stuff. Anyways, hopefully I see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.